cleaning gel is designed to clean car air vents, steering wheels, console panel, storage bins, cup holder, door handles, dashboards and other hard-to-reach spaces. It is easy to use. Push car cleaning gel into any little cracks, press car vent cleaner on, and the dust would be carried away. The car cleaning kit can easily pick up dust. It is reusable. This auto car detailing cleaning gel can be used for multiple times, until the gel turns to black. Please put the gel into the sealed box after use, and store it in a cool, dry place. The car cell phone mount adopts a 2-level locking mechanism and 3-layer nano gel sucker, which is 3 times stronger than ordinary suction power. It is 4-in-1 cell phone holder for car. Are you not sure which installation method is better for your car? No worries. The 4-in-1 car phone mount can be flexible placement. Dashboard and windshield and air vent and desk. All places work perfectly. Suitable for all cars like sedan, pickup trucks, SUV, taxis and more. The ball joint and arm of this mobile phone car mount are 10x sturdier than normal ones. Gooloo portable car battery jump starter is powerful enough to start vehicles fast and easily, with heavy-duty jumper clamps. It is more than a car battery charger. The Gooloo portable car starter includes 3 USB ports for additional charging convenience of portable devices. Super Safe is a safety protection technology by Gooloo, which automatically detects reverse polarity to ensure a precise connection before providing power to any automotive battery or electrical device. Gooloo portable car battery jump starter is lightweight, easy to carry, and includes an integrated LED super bright work light with 3 light modes, providing maximum convenience and flexibility. Visceed magnetic foam car mount is mini size, but the magnetic car mount comes with extremely strong rubidium magnet N52, providing strong magnet suction power. It can hold big phone steadily. Meanwhile, the closed magnetic field would not affect the phone signal. Totally free your hands and keep safe when driving. Visceed magnet mount cannot hold iPhone 12 13th series phones directly. The phone magnet for car vent phone holder is without cradles, brackets, clamps, gel or nut. Insert this car magnetic phone mount into air vent in 0.5s, put your phone on it in 0.1s. The Chefman mini fridge is perfect for personal spaces, travel, offices, dorms, road trips, boating, camping, tailgating, commuting, and more. Its small size and sleek design make it convenient for commuting. Use this micro fridge to store your snacks, drinks, sodas, baby bottles, skincare products, or even warm soup and meals. With the flip of a switch, set the fridge to either cool or warm to store your food and drinks the way you would like. Make sure you first unplug the fridge before switching settings. For the warm setting, food must be warm before placing in the fridge. The fridge cools to 44 degrees Fahrenheit and warms up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit.
If you used to use CarPlay or Android Auto in your car, probably you've connected and disconnected the cable to your phone thousands of times. How annoying that is! Especially when you have a short cable, a broken cable, messy cables, or you're in a hurry. Such a bad experience. You deserve a better one. Now you can enjoy wireless CarPlay and Android Auto with our simple plug-and-play adapter. Connect it once and forget about it. It's that easy. Just plug and connect with your phone. That's all. Connects and loads automatically every time you enter the car. Android Auto and CarPlay.
Hey Siri.
Keep your phone in the pocket or bag. Have fun along the way.
High power and powerful suction. No longer spend your effort and money on picking up stubborn dirt or debris in your car. Butcalan Portable Car Vacuum Cleaner is equipped with a 150W motor. The strong motor can provide up to 7,500 PA powerful suction. Therefore, you can easily clean up a range of food residue, liquids, pet hair, debris in the tiniest corners of your vehicle. Its weight only 1.76 pounds, both elderly and the young can grab and control. And won't cause hand or arm fatigue as you clean. Triple HEPA filter helps to easily improve the cleaning performance. The enhanced filter can separate garbage from the air and provide you with fresh air. The oversized dust cup can help you greatly save cleaning time. Butcalan Car Vacuum Cleaner is equipped with a transparent dust cup, which is easy to monitor and reduces the trouble of assembly. Best dual dash cam for Uber, rideshare, Lyft drivers, picked by Wirecutter, CNET, Business Insider, BGR, etc. The front and inside camera simultaneously capture the road front, 170 degrees, and inside passenger cabin, 140 degrees, in crystal details at dual 1920x 1080p 30 frames per second. When recording in front-only mode, footage is captured at 2.5K 2560x 1440p. At 30 FPS, which enables clear license plates, road signs. Or you can switch to 1920x 1080p at 60 FPS mode with smoother videos for high-speed traffic. The interior-facing camera utilizes a Sony sensor for IR LED lights and f2.0 aperture, which can handle low light conditions and ensures flawless video footage even when the passenger cabin is dark. f1.86 glass lens front-facing cam and unique HDR video system automatically balance the light and dark areas of the video. 24 hours motion-activated parking mode makes the dual car camera to automatically record when it detects motion. Auto start and record when the ignition sparks up. Auto LCD OFF timer ensure you won't be disturbed by another glowing rectangle on your windshield. Excellent audio recording with built-in microphone. Time-lapse function automatically takes photos at specified intervals. Seamless loop recording overwrites the oldest footage with the newest upon filling a card to capacity. Variable sensitivity G-sensor auto detects sudden shake, collision and emergency locks the footage to event file to prevent that video from an overwrite. Supports up to 256 GB microSD cards. Recommend Vantrue microSD card.
The Astro Ai 160 PSI portable tire inflator is an all-in-one tool for your inflation needs. This cordless air compressor comes with a variety of detachable nozzles for a wide range of applications. Enhance the performance of your car and bicycle tires, or keep the fun going on the cord. Press the unit power button, set your desired pressure, and start inflating. The compressor will automatically shut off when your desired pressure is reached. Press the unit button to change readings from PSI to bar or kPa. The tire inflator comes with a lithium battery for cordless use on the go, in addition to an optional DC plug. The battery also includes a USB port to charge your devices. A built-in LED provides the light you need to get you back on the road. The tire inflator's compact and portable design is perfect for storage anywhere you go. The Astro Ai 160 PSI portable tire inflator keeps you pumped and ready to go on all of life's adventures.
Compact and durable, it's the perfect charging cable for home use. It's a charging station with a 21-foot long cable for most driveways. Lectron chargers are rugged and robust, equipped with overvoltage, overheat, and overcurrent protection. The indicator light on the charging station shows current charge status and acts as a warning indicator.
This car phone holder mount is designed as hook shape and form 3 grasp points, which can vise the outlet blades tightly and ensure it never fall off in any situation. The cell phone holder for car is born for innovation and practicability. It's solving the market's common problem of being easy to fall off over time. Thumbs up sign lock your phone firmly. Lisen magnetic phone car mount with 6 built-in strong magnets, the maximum bearing up to weight of 4 cell phones. Powerful suction keep your cell phone stay stably even when drive on a bumpy road. It is recommended that use the square pad on the back of your phone case. It is more stable than the round,